namhlanje sithaya imbiza lezi silambile siqinisele ukuthi akula kudla ezindlini abantwana bayafa ngendlala igovernment yona lekhona ezabe lezanupf ayiphume sifuna igovernment ezangena kuhle nge-free and fair election.
Tatambura, Zara, hakuna mari, moto idzi tiri kurova nekuti hakuna chekubika kumba, hatina mari, vana takatengesa mombe dzakapera savana mabasa, varume vedu havashandi, hurumende yeZANU navaMugabe ngaibve. Isuve muno tashungurudzika, totoshaya kwekuenda, toende piko tiri vana veZimbabwe.
A hungry woman is an angry woman. As Zimbabwean women, we are tired of this Mugabe regime. There is no food on the table. Our husbands are not working. Our children are not going to school. They must go and go for food. For 26 years, he has done nothing and absolutely nothing.
I would like to therefore call upon every Zimbabwean woman to join us on the Beat the Pot campaign. Sicela simusa amaZimbabweans wonke ukuthi kasibasijoyine ekuchayeni imbiza campaign. Sikukhokha amaZimbabwean yese ukuthi muthi joyine bakurowa poto campaign. The campaign is going to be on the 16th of July 2016. We are going to be doing a peaceful demonstration where we are demonstrating against hunger and poverty. So can you please bring your pots and cooking utensils? We are in emapoto enemugoti. We are nini lembiza zelu lempini. Sizotshengisela ukhulumende kaMugabe leZANU-PF ukuthi sokwanele. Enough is enough.